Zengo Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our Zengo Crypto Wallet Review. If you're considering using Zengo, this video is a must-watch before you make your decision. Links to the products mentioned are provided in the description below, so feel free to check those out as we go through the review. Zengo is a next-gen cryptocurrency wallet designed with both security and ease of use in mind. Unlike traditional crypto wallets, Zengo uses cutting-edge keyless security technology that eliminates the need for private keys. Instead, it relies on advanced biometrics and multi-party computation, MPC, to protect your assets. This means there's no single point of failure, drastically reducing the risk of hacks or losing access to your funds if you forget your password or lose your device. One of Zengo's standout features is its user-friendly interface, which makes it ideal for beginners and those who want a simple yet secure way to manage their crypto assets. The app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, and allows you to buy, sell, and trade directly within the wallet. Additionally, Zengo integrates seamlessly with popular decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, and dApps, enabling you to explore the broader crypto ecosystem without leaving the app. Zengo is also known for its top-tier customer support, offering 24/7 assistance through live chat and email. This is particularly valuable for new users who might need extra guidance as they navigate the crypto space. Furthermore, Zengo's automatic backup feature ensures that you can recover your wallet in case of device loss or theft, adding an extra layer of security. For those who prioritize convenience and security, Zengo is a solid choice. It's perfect for both crypto newcomers and seasoned investors who want to streamline their asset management without compromising on security. While it may not have the advanced features of more complex wallets, Zengo's emphasis on simplicity and cutting-edge security makes it a standout option in the market. In summary, Zengo offers a secure, user-friendly crypto wallet experience that is particularly well-suited for those who want peace of mind without the hassle of managing private keys. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for a more convenient way to handle your digital assets, Zengo is worth considering. Remember, the links to the Zengo wallet and other related products are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision.